very good question. Ako, based on my experience as a business owner since 2014, I started kasi 2014 when I decided to resign from my engineering job. I'm a mechanical engineer. And then I went full-time into a business venture. And since then, kapag iniisip ko siya, I think one of the characteristic na kailangan meron ng isang businessman, kahit nasa larangan pa siya, kahit nasa food industry siya, kahit nasa manufacturing industry siya, kahit nasa restaurant industry siya, isa lang yung nakikita ko na importante, which is yung endurance niya to run the business. Since 2014 kasi, ang business na niran ko, may mga good days, meron mga bad days. And it is very easy to quit kapag nandun ka sa bad days. Okay? So, you have to have a character na hindi sumusuko. Because marami dyan na maraming competitors na gusto kang mawala, di ba? Maraming mga personal na bagay na makaka-affect sa business natin. But if we have the endurance, if we have the grit, okay, magpapatuloy tayo sa business natin. And it is very important na matutunan natin yon. And it is very important din para magawa natin yon, meron tayong mission or goal natin para sa business natin. Okay? Because nung nag-start ako, I have the vision. I have the vision na maging national brand yung business ko, maging international brand. So I have that goal na gusto kong marating. That's why I can endure any difficulty, any challenge na dumaan, ini-endure ko because I have a goal na gusto kong marating. So, very important na merong endurance tayo when it comes to running business. So, for you to practice endurance, okay, one thing is you need to undergo problems talaga, which is inevitable siya when it comes to business because as a business person, what we really do is solve problems. Okay, so hindi natin pwedeng alisin yung pagiging businessman and ihiwalay natin siya sa problem. There will always be problem na kailangan natin i-solve. That's why we are in business. And for us to be able to survive and thrive in any business, we need focus and discipline. There are a lot of times na gusto mong magbakasyon pero meron kang kailangan matapos. Gusto mong mamahinga pero meron kang kailangan gawin. Diba? Tapos meron mga mag-i-invite sa'yo na hindi mo pwedeng puntahan because you have things to do for your business. And that speaks of focus and discipline. There's one business guru na nagsabi, the number one reason for failure is broken focus. So, isa yan sa very important na kailangan gawin. In anything na kailangan natin gawin, di ba? Meron kang project sa bahay, meron kang project sa office, meron kang project for your personal growth. Without focus, you cannot finish them all. Di ba? So, very important na meron tayong focus and also discipline.